I'm gonna be my honest journalist self. Easton here. This time you're in Flickr Labs. We've got the original FLIKRFIRE isopropyl alcohol fireplace and the knockoff import. We're gonna start with durability testing. We love our concrete and we think it's amazing and it's gonna last a lifetime. We're just gonna go ahead and get started. And I'm gonna go grab that. Looks like we have that together. And we'll put the base back on. Oh, it's cracked, it's cracked. But we're cutting now. My journalistic integrity is gone, because now it's gonna look like we edited it. Welcome back from the drop. Let's look at some of the damage. So, snuffing lid, still a snuffer. We do have some chips though, a nice looking chip dent on the outside, as well as a nice chip there on the inside. The other thing we do have is some hairline cracks running on the top, and then another one that is a little harder to see that does run the length of the unit right here. We have a crack coming from the top and then coming down most of the way down, which is telling me that's probably why they have the metal cup. That wouldn't be very leak proof after one drop off the coffee table or something like that. So we're gonna be fair and go ahead and just give ours the same treatment. And there goes the Flickr fireplace. Let's take a look. Gather these up. We're not gonna lie to you. If you drop it off a coffee table onto a solid concrete floor, you're gonna get some chipping. But what we don't have here, and we'll take a close look, are any hairline cracks. The base, we do have a small chip in our powder coat, but she functions just fine. Snuffing lid looks great. So there's the first drop test. Cracks, chips, still safe to use. I would not recommend using this one. However, it does have the metal cup in it. You can take your chances there. But we're gonna go for round two just because. And there goes that one again. We'll pick it up. Looks like our crack grew a little bit, as well as maybe some new ones. So we have another crack running down the length of the body again, and this one opened up a little bit more on that drop. Probably drop ours again too. So we'll just go ahead, drop ours down, pick up the pieces. Snuffing lid, small ding on the top there, not too concerning. The base looks like I got another extra chip on it. Little more chip to that one, and that was maybe there before, but that's about it on a Flickr fireplace. The wonderful concrete we use still holding up just fine. No cracks anywhere. It's pretty impressive. We're still here at Flickr Labs to continue the drop testing. This time we're just gonna go from a little bit more height. I'm gonna go about shoulder. And there's that one. We can see it's broken in half. I'm gonna continue with our unit, same height. And clearly, the import knockoff is in a little bit of trouble here. And we'll move to pick up the Flickr. Again, snuffing lid, maybe a couple fresh dings on it. The fireplace itself, a little bit more of a chip out of the bottom of it. Not a whole lot more damage. And then the base, about the same as the snuffing lid, maybe another chip or two in the paint, but nothing else there to see. Looking closer, no cracks that I'm seeing altogether. Still usable and good to go. This unit, not so much, but you know, it's still Flickr Labs, and we're gonna give the burn test a try. We're just gonna throw a couple ounces of rubbing alcohol in ours, and we'll just a couple ounces of rubbing alcohol in their unit, light ours up. Looks great, no leaks, no cracks. Their unit, I'm a professional here at Flickr Labs. I don't suggest you do this, but to me that doesn't look like I would want that on my coffee table. We'll just go ahead and snuff the Flickr and leave this one to burn for a little while. Thank you.